Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Season Division in Mech Arena. Season Divisions are your competitive rank, reflecting your skill and dedication. They reset regularly, offering fresh opportunities to climb the leaderboards. Your performance in matches directly impacts your division, determining your end-of-season rewards. Understanding this system is key to maximizing your progress and earning valuable in-game items, like A-coins and blueprints, at the end of each season. To climb the ranks, you primarily earn division points by winning matches. The higher your current league, the more points you will receive for each victory. Additionally, performing exceptionally well and achieving most valuable player status in a match grants you a significant bonus. Don't forget to complete your daily and weekly quests, as these often provide a steady stream of extra division points to boost your progress. Mech Arena features a structured progression through various division tiers, starting from bronze and ascending all the way to the prestigious Grand Master. Each tier demands a specific number of division points to reach and maintain. As you advance into higher divisions, the end-of-season rewards become increasingly valuable. These rewards typically include A-coins, essential blueprints for upgrading your mechs, and pilot marks to enhance your pilots. To effectively climb the season divisions, consistency is key. Regular play helps maintain your momentum. Always prioritize upgrading your mechs and weapons to ensure you have a competitive edge against opponents. Consider forming a squad with friends or other players for coordinated gameplay, as teamwork significantly increases your chances of victory. Finally, always focus on completing the objectives in every match, as this is crucial for securing wins and earning points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.